One of the biggest things which deters people from investing is misinformation. Having accurate information and knowing the truth can make all the difference in getting you to overcome any uncertainty in making the decision to invest or investing more consistently. Let us discuss 3 of the biggest myths floating around about investing. Myth number 1, it is harder to get started. If you've never invested before, it can seem intimidating, but the reality is it has never been easier to get started. There is so much options and information out there to get the ball rolling. One of the simple ways is to go to your primary bank and set up an appointment to discuss some options that they offer. This way, you're already familiar and comfortable with the institution and maybe even the people that work there. As soon as you get your feet wet, the sky's the limit thereafter. Myth number 2 is that you need a lot of money to start. You do not need to be rich or have loads of money to get started. Generally, these days, there are no huge minimum investment requirements, and a small amount set aside at regular intervals on a consistent basis can result in substantial growth. So decide what amount works for you and get started. Myth number 3 is that investing is too risky. Investing is not without risk, but you control the amount of risk you want to take on. As discussed previously, there are so many different types of investments that have different risk levels. If you want the least amount of risk, then you can invest in things like T-bills or government bonds. If you want higher risk, you can invest in stocks. A good balance can be achieved by putting your money in investment funds that are diversified across different types of investments. The possibilities are endless for your unique circumstances.